In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PowerPoint file to a Word document. This method will allow you to integrate your presentation into a Word document seamlessly, which can be useful for creating comprehensive reports or sharing information in a consolidated format. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Word document where you want to insert your PowerPoint file. If you don't have a document started yet, that's perfectly fine. Just open Word and create a new blank document. You can do this by selecting New from the menu and then clicking on Blank Document. Once your document is open, you'll be ready to start the insertion process. Now navigate to the top of Word where you'll see various tabs. Find and click on the Insert tab. This is where you can add various elements to your document, from pictures to tables, and as we'll see today, embedded objects like PowerPoint files. After selecting Insert, look for the Object option. It might not be immediately visible if you're using a smaller screen, so sometimes you'll need to look for it under Additional Items, or expand the options to see more features. Click on Object, which will open a new dialog box, giving you further options about what type of object to insert. Inside this new dialog box, you'll be given two choices: Create New and Create from File. Because we're working with a pre-existing PowerPoint presentation, you'll want to select Create from File. This option allows you to insert content from an existing file directly into your Word document. Once you've selected Create from File, you'll see the Browse button. Click on Browse, and this will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Here, you'll need to navigate to where your PowerPoint file is saved. It could be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or anywhere else you've stored it. Locate the PowerPoint file you want to link with your Word document, select it, and then click Insert. Finally, you'll need to confirm your selection by clicking OK. After doing this, your PowerPoint file will be embedded into your Word document as an object. This means you'll see an icon or a preview of the PowerPoint file in the document, and it can be opened by anyone viewing the document who wants to see the presentation in more detail. By following these steps, you now have a Word document with an embedded PowerPoint file. This is a fantastic way to consolidate your work and make it easier to share comprehensive and multifaceted information. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your document and presentation needs.